What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back. Happy New Year's, and today we'll be showing you how you should reset your shine for the upcoming year, 2024. Let's get right into it. When it comes to having a New Year's resolution, everybody might say, I'm going to the gym, I'm gonna be doing this, XYZ. But today, our New Year's resolution is going to be resetting your shine. So first and foremost, we're gonna start off by washing this black Tesla behind me. As you guys can see, this Tesla has seen better days. It's a dark colored Tesla, and for anybody that does own a dark colored vehicle, you already know, you wash your car today, you use a quick detail spray, you park it outside, you might get pollen on it, and you start seeing all the imperfections and all the grime stick onto it. But today, we'll be starting all over, a complete reset. With us first, we're gonna be doing a wash. Part 2 is going to be a clay and polish, and part 3 is going to be protecting your ride. As you guys can see, I have a 2-bucket method system set up, as well as my big mouth max release foam cannon that only works with a pressure washer. The minimum PSI level you need to have on your pressure washer to use the big mouth max release foam cannon is going to be a minimum of 800 PSI. You could pair it with a gas pressure washer or electric pressure washer. So I'll just be moving this off to the side for right now, and then I'm actually going to be removing the top. Now you want to be removing the top because of course you want to pre-fill it with water, and then after that you'll be using your desired soap. So the soap I'll be using today is going to be Clean Slate. Now I'm looking for a fresh start on this Tesla Model 3. This Tesla has seen better days, and I personally don't even know what type of protection this car might have. Now Clean Slate is designed to remove any type of protectants such as glazes, sealants, waxes, and quick detail sprays. Now if you do have a ceramic, I still recommend washing your car using Clean Slate. It's still going to help remove a little bit if you do have a true ceramic, but of course the clay and polish is going to remove the ceramic completely. But today we're just focusing on the wash. So I want a fresh start, so I'll be using Clean Slate. Then I'll go to my bottle of my big mouth. 1, 2 good squirts. Like that, I know I have more than 1 ounce of soap inside my big mouth foam cannon. I'll reattach the head, and now I will just stir it and not shake it. Now, this is always a key point. If I was to grab my bottle and I start shaking it up and down, what's gonna happen is I'm going to cause so much foam inside here, and I want no type of foam inside my big mouth. I just want just the soap and water mixture, and I want all the soap onto the surface. So like this, I have high lubrication, and nonetheless, every time I'm gliding my Chanel washman across the surface of the vehicle, I know I'm not scratching it nor harming the surface. So I'll put this off to the side for right now, and then I'll be getting my dirt trap. So for anybody that does not know what a dirt trap is, it's just like the name. It traps dirt. So it has over 100 cyclonic cones in the back that's going to help you, one, trap all the dirt and grime at the bottom of your bucket. So you always want to insert this at the bottom of your bucket. I'll be pushing down on it, and just like that, we are all set. So I'll be getting my Clean Slate and adding 1 ounce. Next up, all we need to do now is just rinse down the surface of the vehicle. Then I'm going to attach my big mouth max release foam cannon to my ProFlow PM2000, and then I'll suds it up, and then I'll show you guys how to be washing your car at home. So we just finished foaming up the whole entire Tesla. As you guys can see, Clean Slate sticking hard onto the grime, and that's what I want. I wanted to let it sit on it so that Clean Slate is actually removing any protectants that the surface might have. All I'm gonna do now is just get my pressure washer and come to my bucket, and I'll be activating the suds by adding some type of pressure. After that, I'll get my Chanel wash mitt, sink it into my bucket, get some suds. I'll go to the surface of the car, and I'll start scrubbing it down in linear motions. Now you always want to scrub in linear motions, 1, to remove the filth and grime, but 2, the main key focus is you don't want to go in circular motions, because if I was to go in circular motions, I might pick up dirt, grime, debris, some type of abrasives away from the surface of the vehicle, and then I'll start causing more scratches or swirls or even like marring. And I want to prevent all that, especially because this is a dark color car. So the minimal scratches as possible is going to be better. And once I'm done scrubbing the surface of the car, I'll go back to my rinse bucket. I'll sink my wash mitt into my clean water, wring out my wash mitt, and I'll be doing this process around the whole entire car. So now it's time for me to scrub the whole car, and then I'll get back to you guys once it's fully rinsed and dried, so I can show you guys the finishing results I achieved using Clean Slate. There you guys have it. Just like that, we washed the car, and we also remove all the protectants away from the surface of the vehicle for our next step, which is going to be clay and polish. If you guys would like to pick up any of the products that I used in today's video, you already know where to find them, chemicalguys.com or at your local detail garage. We'll see you guys next time on part 2.